profit, loss, discount. I'm not able to understand any of these. SP, CP and all this. Maths is quite boring, right, for you, right? Is there any fun way in learning that? What? Yes, this is a maths lab kit in which we can get maths in a very fun manner. Let's order this kit, okay? Ordered. Let's see. Okay, let's wait for it to come. And this is the kit. This kit is from Science60 and this is a maths lab kit where maths is simplified and also very fun. It includes the concepts from CBSE, ICSE and also state syllabus. And also do let me know in the comment section what is your board like CBSE or ICSE in the comment section, okay, right now. So let's see what's inside this and unbox. So without any delay, let's start the video.
Be strong.
So this is the ultimate math lab for smart students and this is by Science60. And now let's open the box and cut the tape with the help of a blade. The product is well organized and the internal packaging is also too good. And there are given some instruction manual and also many projects to make mathematics more simpler and also super fun. So let's open them all out and check what's inside them. There are many projects like binary number system, algebraic equations, linear equations and many more. So now we will be proving the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this big square has sides a plus b and a plus b. So area is a plus b whole square and also another orange square has an area a square. Now this black rectangle and also this black rectangle both have an area AB. So AB plus AB is 2AB and also the small square has an area of B square. Now when we join all of them on the big square, that is a plus b whole square, wow, see, it is equated. So hence we can prove this in a geometrical way. Next, while speaking about statistical data, we can prove the raw data into some graphical representation through these beads. So the number is 11. So I'm going to keep 11 beads into the stick like this. And also I'm going to note the observation in the book provided by the Science60. So next, spin it again and let's see what number is going to come. 5 is the number. So let's drop 5 beads into the stick. And I am going to note the observation on the book. So like this I made up to 10 observation which is given on the above text. It's like an exercise and it is quite simple. See, now this is our graphical representation using these beads and sticks. So I made totally 10 observations. See, there were different numbers coming to me. So next let's find the volume of this cuboid. So these are the templates provided by Science60 itself. So now let's open the box and I am using some flour. You can use any sand or anything. So now I am going to pour everything into this cardboard box. Now take the same amount and keep it to the test tube. Now write how much volume it filled. I got it to be 71 centimeter cube, and when we calculated by area like LBH formula, means length into breadth into height, I got the formula to be 72. So there must be a mistake of mine while pouring it from the cube to the test tube. This project was super fun. Next, let's make few lines using the linear equation and the glass graph provided. So there were pins. Now let's insert the pins, and now here I am going to plot the line x plus y is equal to 5. So this thread will be our line. So now see, so the formed line is x plus y is equal to 5. And now let's try a quadrilateral with coordinates 0, 4, 0, 2, 0, minus 3 and 0, minus 4. So I'm inserting the pins at the exact coordinates, and now I'm going to use this thread to create the perimeter for the quadrilateral. So see, how is it? So our required quadrilateral is on the graph sheet is ready. It's quite fun, right? So next we are into our next project, that is trigonometric functions. So first let me fix everything using screws given. So now adjust the scale. So let's find the sine 30 value. Now I have adjusted the angle to 30 degrees and the value is 0.5, that is 1 by 2. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. It's absolutely right. So next let's take an angle of 90 degree and sine 90 is 1. Great. Now we can also find cos values. So if angle is 60 degree, then you all know cos 60 is 0.5. Great. Now let's remove the sine scale, and now we can find tan values, means tangent functions. So now let's find tan 45 degree. So tan 45 is 1. See, on the scale it is showing to be 1. Next we can find like that different values using angles. We can find cos value, sine value and also tan values. So this kit is super, friends. The projects and the activities provided in this kit are so good. And also if you also want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. Click on the link and buy this product. And also if you like this video, please like, and if you are first time watching this video, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notified. And also share this video to your friends so that they may also know about this kit. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Bye bye.